Good morning. This is another day at J-Tech Automotive Technology School, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the automatic transmission. It's going to be a two-part video. First part, we're going to talk about the front of the transmission, what is in the front of it. And it's this little item here called a torque converter. The torque converter mounts to the flex plate, which is mounted to the crankshaft of the engine. So the torque converter gets mounted by 3 bolts, and that's what turns the torque converter, is the flex plate. And this side of the torque converter will sit in the front of the transmission on what's called a snout. There's several shafts on the end of the snout that this will attach to, and I'm going to tell you what they are. The first one is, this will sit on your pump, your fluid pump, and it will drive the fluid pump. Inside we have the impeller, and what happens when this spins is it throws fluid out these vanes, and the fluid will flow in a circle like this until it gets to a certain point, and then it'll start to move the other items I'm getting ready to show you. This component is stator. When these two are opposing each other, it affords the opportunity for the fluid to flow around in circles. We call that a vortex motion. Eventually, what happens is it changes the direction of the flow, and it makes it go this way, which will make the turbine turn. In between the two is the stator. The stator has the ability to rotate, but it can only go one way. This attaches to a shaft on the nose of the transmission, and it will turn a component that rotates inside there. And the other reason why this is in between the two is it redirects the flow of the fluid so that the fluid is able to keep its energy going as it's generating the pressure to turn the turbine. So that's what the stator does. It helps control the flow of the fluid, and it gets it ready to go back into it so it can repeat its cycle. And then spine to this. This is our lockup clutch, and it'll reach a certain point. The transmission reaches a certain point, the lockup clutch engages with the inside of the front of the torque converter. You have a friction material here and a surface there. So these two will lock together, and it'll all rotate as one piece. Anyway, that's what's inside the torque converter and a little bit about how it works. It's a pretty amazing thing. Thank you so much for watching this segment. There's more to come.